How much does a hipster weigh? An Instagram. Why did Vladimir fall off his butt? He was Russian. There's an old man sitting on a bench. And this young kid walks up and he sees a man sitting on a bench and there's a little dog on the ground next to the bench. And he says, "Hey, mister, does your dog bite?" And he says, "No, my dog's never bit anyone." And he said, "Oh, great." And he goes down to pet the dog and the dog lunges at him and bites the kid's hand. And the kid said, "Hey, I thought you said your dog didn't bite." The old man looks at the kid and says, "Hey, that's not my dog." Do you know what the difference is between spinach and boogers? Kids don't eat spinach. And the other one I got is, what was it? Oh yeah. You know why Smokey the Bear would make a terrible husband? Because every time his wife gets hot, he throws dirt on her and starts smashing her with a shovel. So, why do scuba divers always go in backwards? Because if they went in frontwards, they'd land in the boat. Okay, and the other one is, this parrot and this rabbi walk into a bar. Okay? And the parrot's on his shoulder and the bartender says, "Hey, where did you get that?" And the parrot says, "Hey, I got it in New York." Thanks for watching.